Hey everyone, it's Mel, and today we're stepping into a fascinating world, creating a custom Mel GPT for the OpenAI GPT Store. But it's not just about us. We're also exploring how different businesses can leverage this technology to streamline their workflows. We all know how crucial personal touch is in business, but imagine if you could scale that personal touch digitally. That's exactly what we're doing with our Mel GPT. We're uploading our brand's DNA from our unique communication style to our creative approach to storytelling. This way, our GPT isn't just an AI. It becomes a digital brand ambassador, speaking and interacting just like I would. But what about other businesses? Let's say you run a cozy bakery. You can create a bakery assistant GPT that answers customers' questions about recipes, ingredients, or even baking tips. Or maybe you're a fitness coach. How about a fitness buddy GPT that offers workout tips, tracks progress, and even motivates clients? And for those in more technical fields like coding or web development, a custom GPT can be a game changer. Imagine a code helper GPT that understands your company's coding style and helps review code, suggest improvements, or even generate code snippets following the best practices. But it's not just about answering questions. With our Mel GPT, we're also aiming to create engaging, visually appealing content. For instance, we can train it to suggest ideas for YouTube thumbnails that resonate with our brand, or even draft engaging social media posts. And the beauty of it? No extensive coding experience needed. We're using the intuitive GPT Builder from OpenAI, making the process accessible to anyone passionate about their brand or business. Once we fine-tuned our Mel GPT, it's showtime. We'll make it available on the OpenAI GPT Store for everyone. But we're not stopping there. We're building a web interface for direct interactions. Imagine chatting with our digital twin, getting instant responses, and experiencing your brand's personality in real time. Now that sounds like a great business idea. Okay, so here we go. You're going to open up chat.openai.com. And on the left-hand side, we're going to go to the Explore option. Click on that. It's going to open up another screen that says My GPTs. You're going to click on the plus button that says Create a GPT. Now what this is going to do is give you the option of building a GPT. I'm going to put on Create a GPT that helps provide information about AI to an audience who is just learning about AI. It said great choice. To start, how about we name this GPT AI Explainer? But I actually don't want this. So I'm going to say, can you please name this GPT Mel Myself and AI? Not only that, but it created a profile picture for the GPT AI Explainer. But I'm going to fine tune that as well because I want it to be my personality and my picture as well. So if you're thinking about who am I, what information do I provide, you're going to put that in there. So if someone were to go to your GPT, they could ask it and it would answer just like you were. Think about the possibilities. If you create this GPT to answer for you, then that takes a lot off your plate. Time, energy, money. So I'm going to answer some of those questions, like what specific topics in AI should the GPT focus on explaining? Well, I want the GPT to focus on the latest and greatest AI that comes out. I want the GPT to explain as if someone hasn't heard about the AI tech that's out there. One of the questions says, how interactive should the GPT be? For instance, should it ask follow-up questions to gauge the user's understanding? And lastly, do you have any preferences for the tone or style of the GPT's responses? This, if I had someone that I followed on YouTube, or if I had someone that was famous that would be online, it could pull that information from it and put it into the personality. So anyone that I feel like is similar to my personality or has a style of communication that I like, this is where I would put that in. I'm going to include the picture that's on my YouTube channel. So I just open it up, I double click on it, and voila, it uploads. Okay, so it says you're all set to try out Mel, Myself, and AI in the playground, which is a separate chat dialogue to the right. I'm going to keep fine-tuning this, but check out my Mel, Myself, and AI GPT on the OpenAI GPT Store next week and ask me some questions. So there you have it, folks. We're not just launching a GPT. We're setting a new standard for digital communication and branding. And we're thrilled to see how businesses across the spectrum will leverage this technology to enhance their operations and connect with their audience. Thanks for tuning in. Follow for more AI insights. See you on our next adventure in the future.